Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I struggled putting this video together, as this has been one that's been kind of disappointing, but it's still a stock that I hold, still a stock that I like. But when I saw this, I was like, oh, I gotta look and see if there's any information, and I looked at this one too late, otherwise I would have bought the dip there. So if you bought the dip there, let me know. That would be interesting to know in the comments. You could have got it, I hate to say, for 90 cents because I missed it, but then it's had a great run up here today, so maybe it's gonna take off again. I don't know, but I still like the stock. I've talked about it numerous times, and it's just kind of let me down. Well, it's let everybody down here in the last month. You can see it had a great run up, but I'm sure there's some people that cashed out here. I unfortunately did not, but maybe it'll run back up there. We'll wait and see. But this is Zomedica. I pronounce it Zomedica. I've heard other people pronounce it Zomedica. I don't know. There's only one O, but that's besides the point. That's just a pet peeve of mine. Zomedica. It's currently trading at $1.15. You can see what it's done here over the last week. Even kind of ran down even over the last week, and here's what it's doing today. I've covered this one numerous times, so I'll link those in the description. But this is in the veterinary health company, which engages in discovery, development, and commercialization of pharmaceuticals for pets. The main catalyst is Truforma. Been around since 2013. $1.27 billion market cap, and kind of average volume here. If you want to see when I bought mine, bought them back in February. It looks like that was canceled. Trying to get it for $2. That would have been a good buy. 85 cents. So it was 85 cents back in end of January, and that one didn't fill. Probably lowballed it. You can see in the between the 26 and the 27 went down to 12 cents. So this one's kind of up and down, kind of all over the place. And I just come across some information here I thought was kind of interesting. This is what we all want to see in regards to the stock, but the stock declines are a huge opportunity. This says, so this might give you something to think about if you're down and depressed about Zomedica not going up, not staying up, not doing what we want it to do. Is having a rough start to the trading session this morning, following up on declines seen in the stock over the past several sessions. And just like I said, so peaking around 250 about a month ago, so it was kind of teasing us all, and today it's down to around about $1, well actually 90 cents. Before we get into the stock, why the stock has been falling over the past month, it's been important to get an understanding of why we reached mid-March highs. And here's a couple of key reasons, two of them. Truforma, and I'm not going to read all of these because I'm sure if you're watching this you know all about it, and you can pause and go over that for yourself, or take a look at my other videos. But Truforma is the most significant reason for the gains. It was launched in late March. And just to hit the key points, and then the retail frenzy, as the stock was running up for the top, it caught up with the meme stocks, and that's another thing. It was caught up in the Reddit craze, the AMC, the GameStop, and all of those. That was an exhausting month, but it was a lot of fun. So why did the stock fall after all the excitement? Here's a couple reasons. So the retail frenzy did die down, and feel free again to pause and read over this for yourself. And it's been kind of quiet. It was kind of quiet there for a while. I didn't hear much about it, and it was declined in the fact that the company had been relatively quiet, which I don't know was a bad thing. I think people just kind of lost some steam in it, pulled their money out, and went into some other things. in regards to the Trueforma platform, which took place about a month ago. And I still think it's an opportunity. There's lots of vets out there. Chewy was up last year tremendously. That's kind of the online platform similar to Amazon for pets, and they had a heck of a year. And so I still think Zomedica can still push up. Like I said, there's lots of veterinarians. People take care of their pets. The veterinary is a massive one, just like I said, teamed up with one of the largest distributors, and so that's got to say something for it. And Trueforma has clear benefits to vets and customers that they serve, so I still think there's some steam in this one. I was never really in this one for the short term. If you look at last year, everybody staying home, taking care of their pets, Chewy going through the roof. If you have any of Chewy, leave that in the comments. I unfortunately did not. And so I still think there's some steam left here in Zomedica. Maybe it hit the 90-cent bottom and is on its way back up now. So, and I don't have a crystal ball either, so who knows what the... But the next big catalyst for ZOM will take place when the company updates investors with regard to the commercial performance. So, I think everybody's maybe sitting patiently. I am slightly, but I kind of swept this one to the back burner a little bit just because there wasn't much coming out about it. And this is also something else that I've should you buy anymore. I was not buying there for a while. If I would have seen it this morning at 90 cents, I would have thought about it. But this has been one of the hottest stocks of 2020. 2021 starting up over 340% and dwarfing the S&P and its 10% gains. And I still think there's some room to run with this one. So everybody takes care of their pets. People spend tons of money on their pets. So Y shares of Zomedica started picking up steam earlier in the year. We kind of already went over that about June 4th. It was the common stock daily trading volume to rise above 100,000, so it did pick up some steam, and a lot of people were trading it. And again, just hitting some of the highlights of the article here, but just some things to think about. Some of you probably already know most of this information, but just wanted to do an update on it, and I'm still in it. I'm in it for the long term. We'll see what 6 months or a year or 2 years we can get out of this one. Maybe it'll double or triple in that time. Maybe just need to be patient with this one and buy some of the dips to dollar cost average into it. But the big risk with Zomedica, anytime you invest in a business that doesn't have your proven results, you're taking on a considerable risk, and that's why I haven't bought in anymore. I felt I was in deep enough, and it was slightly above my cost basis, and now it's a little bit below. So, but I'm going to continue to hold. If it does do another dip, I'm going to buy some more, and I haven't decided how much, but we'll wait and see. But there is some good information in here. The Trueforma is a major catalyst, and the so just what it says here: rapidly assess conditions such as hyperthyroidism and euthyroid sick syndrome. So they have some pretty cool technology. This has been one of my favorite plays, along with BNGO, and it ran up and it's been coming down. So these have been kind of the same type of letdown, if you will. So they bought into them, got them in cheap, they ran up. Of course, I didn't cash out, and then they dropped back down. So I haven't decided what to do with Bingo yet. I haven't looked at it in a while. Might buy some more of that on the dip as well. But you can let me know if you're still buying Zomedica and if it's still worth the risk. I think there's still some more play in this one. I'm not going to buy it above $1. If it goes below $1, I'll buy some more, especially if it hits that 90-cent range, and we'll see what happens from there. But let's see if we can find any information here on Reddit. It was 2 months ago. Go over here to StockTwits. 52-week low of 6 cents, a high of $2.91. Who bought the dip like this? Up 13%, Riot down 13%. That's, wow. That is. I just did a video on Riot yesterday in regards to the Coinbase going today, and if you're going to buy Coinbase, you can leave that in the comments as well. That'd be interesting to know. On our way to $1.20. We'll see. I'll be shocked if it does. Seeing the green color lowers my blood pressure. There you go. So everybody's still bullish on this one. Everybody still loves this. There you go. Little Jim Carrey, Dumb and Dumber. Over here on Tipperanks, shows it at $1.20. Currently at $1.16. High of $1.20. They still don't rate this one. But it's having a good day so far, so we will see if it continues. I'm back in the green, so penny. But I'm in the long run. If you bought here on the 90 cent, we'll call it 91 cent dip, put that in the comments as well. So if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel and promote the videos and get them out to other people. And I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers here as soon as I can, and I thank you for all the help. The likes, the comments are always welcome, and hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, following Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.